Guys, WoW Classic is here. What's up everyone? WoW Classic is doing amazing right now, so if you want to jump in and build a streaming PC, this is the video to check out. In order to stream properly, you're going to need something with a little bit of horsepower. We kept the budget around $600, so that's a good price for a streaming PC. WoW Classic will pretty much run on a potato. That's not going to be an issue for this PC. 6 cores, 12 threads, and a great GPU. This PC will not only run WoW Classic, but it will also play VR. It'll play the latest AAA titles at 1080p, 60 FPS. I'm gonna keep this video short, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.